Every day, all over the world, millions of tracked machines are at work in agriculture, construction, mining, and other industries. A third of these machines are moving on Berco undercarriages. The company was founded in Coppero, near Ferrara, Italy, in 1920, when Vezio Bertoni opened a little repair workshop. He and his partner, Roberto Cotti, called their business the Bertoni and Cotti Mechanical Workshop, which led to the name Berco. Gianni Bertoni, Vezio's son, joined the company in the 60s, and in just a few years, the Berco workforce grew to 2,000. When his father died in 1977, Gianni transferred 50% of the business to the German multinational Hosch, which subsequently took over the entire company stock in 1986. Berco has expanded over the years, with factories in Castelfranco, Veneto, and Bussano being added to the original Coppero factory. Every year, Berco produces over 250,000 tons of finished product, with a turnover of more than €500 million, providing work for over 3,000 people. Berco invests continuously in product and process improvement, spending over €30 million a year on research, development, and new machinery. Berco is part of ThyssenKrupp, the Dusseldorf-based German multinational, a major company in the world steel industry and a leading manufacturer of components, machine tools, and plant engineering systems. With a constant eye to the quality of its products, Berco controls every phase of the production process, from the design stage right through to the delivery of the finished product. The new ISO 9001 Vision 2000 directives were implemented in the company several years ago. Berco has been ISO 14001 certified since January 2000. With the introduction of eco-compatible procedures and the opening of a new waste disposal facility in 2001 and a new water purification unit in 2002. Almost half of Berco's undercarriage components are sold all over the world on the aftermarket, bearing the Berco brand name. And over 55% of the products go to factories of original equipment manufacturers, known as the OEM market. Every year, Berco produces 140,000 idler groups, 1,300,000 rollers, 180,000 track chains, 6 million track shoes, 180,000 sprockets. A total of over 250,000 tons of finished product a year. In order to meet the wide-ranging needs of its customers, Berco is organized in 5 divisions. The Berco Mini Undercarriage Division produces undercarriage systems for machines weighing 1 to 6 tons, with track change pitch ranging from 90 to 140 millimeters. The Berco Medium Range Division makes components for machines with weights ranging from 7 to 50 tons and chain pitch 140 to 216 millimeters. The Berco Mining Products Division produces undercarriage systems for large-size machines with weights ranging from 50 to 300 tons and chain pitch from 216 to 350 millimeters. Berco Rubberized Products offers a full range of components for machines with rubber-tracked undercarriages, from compact track loaders to agricultural tractors. The Berco Service Division produces a complete range of equipment for servicing tracked machine undercarriages, including hydraulic presses, track shoe bolt torquing units, and track chain winders. Berco does much more than supply components. It also designs and builds complete tracked undercarriage systems, both for standard machines and special applications. An important example of this is the CTL, Compact Track Loader project, in which Berco has developed 6 undercarriage systems complete with track frame and rubber track. With its thorough knowledge of the product and the use of modern technology, Berco is able to help its customers right from the design stage, using dedicated software such as CAD and FEM to verify the strength of the components. Computerized rapid prototyping machines are used to create 3-dimensional models, making it possible to assess the functional and appearance characteristics of individual components and assemblies before the production stage. The Materials Development and Metallurgic Laboratory uses highly advanced techniques to provide all the necessary support to the engineering management in the different production areas. Wear resistance and mechanical properties are key factors in undercarriage component performance, and this is why Berco dedicates so much energy to materials research and development. Wear tests are conducted on samples that have been subjected to different heat treatments in order to lengthen component life, even in the most extreme operating conditions. Photoelasticity and strain gauge techniques are used to analyze the stress and fatigue states of individual components and assemblies. Before going into series production, the components are sent to the Reliability Testing Department, where a full range of test machines help to greatly reduce the time and cost needed to optimize the finished product before the final field tests. After the laboratory testing stage, Berco completes its design procedure with a series of field tests on undercarriage system prototypes. The entire production process is managed and controlled internally, from the processing of the raw materials right through to the painting of the finished components, guaranteeing highly reliable procedures and constant quality. Considerable resources are dedicated to the continuous development of core competencies, such as hot forging. A company's strong point is the 29 hot forging lines, which produce 15 million track links, over 2.5 million half rollers shells, and 700,000 sprockets and segments annually. This massive forging production requires over 7,000 forging dies, produced inside Berco, either by electrical discharge machining or on high-speed work centers. The new hot forging line for large-size forged parts and mining components is a massive expression of Berco innovation in the forging field. The line with its 32,000-ton screw press, produces idlers, sprockets, and sprocket rims. Previously, these components were cast and trimmed manually in a costly process. The urge to bring a competitive edge into production technology has often led to the creation of totally unique, specially tailored solutions, such as the master split link process. This process uses innovative chip removal techniques with creep feed grinding, which has revolutionized the production process, streamlined the machining stages, and notably improved the quality of the end product. The production processes for strategic components have been developed and implemented internally by Berco to guarantee maximum reliability. Flexible, computer-managed production systems with sophisticated numerical control machines ensure even shorter retooling times in production changes. The new roller brackets machining lines use flexible production systems with a combined operation of numerically controlled lathes, machining centers, measuring stations, and handling systems. The production of all front idlers, from fabricated idlers to complete idler groups, has been concentrated in the Castelfranco Veneto factory. The tread rims are produced on two highly modern multi-spindle circular ring rolling mills, the only ones of their kind, capable of rolling the component in a single operation. In order to guarantee superior products with excellent wear resistance, Berco has, over the years, innovated and maximized all its heat treatment processes. There are over 100 heat treatment stations using techniques such as surface induction hardening and differential quenching, and equipment such as quenching and tempering process furnaces and case hardening furnaces. Berco has opted for automation as the way to face up to the challenges of the new millennium. The company had its first robot installed in 1988, and now it has more than 300. Electromechanical handling robots, self-learning hydraulic robots, and Cartesian robots are used in a wide range of production applications. Examples include loading and unloading of machine tools, torquing of clamping equipment, and handling of the products in assembly processes. The use of robots for the heavier and more repetitive tasks not only ensures high quality standards, but also gives support to human operators. The robot-assisted manufacturing lines are managed by computer-aided systems, which oversee all the process stages, right up to the final assembly and painting. This innovative, highly automated production system allows Berco to strengthen its undisputed leading market position on a continuous basis. A highly efficient logistics center capable of handling over 1,500 tons of product a day guarantees the rapid and effective dispatch of components to all customer destinations. Orders for small components can be processed quickly thanks to automatic, modular, computer-managed warehouses. There are also production and logistics centers in Germany, the United States, and Brazil. Thanks to its efficient organization, BERCO is able to supply the assembly lines of the major earth-moving equipment manufacturers on a just-in-time basis. With a network of over 200 local BERCO dealers, the availability of BERCO products can be guaranteed in all corners of the earth. With their long experience, readily available stock, and well-equipped workshops, BERCO dealers are able to offer the customer a top-quality service. Thanks to new communication technologies, BERCO dealers can now access a wealth of information in the undercarriage products database online and find the right answers quickly and easily. Orders can also be managed in the same way, along with warranties and the main transactions between partners and customers. Refresher courses, tailor-made for specific dealer and customer needs, are organized for training both engineering and sales personnel. BERCO offers assistance in choosing the right component for the job and also provides on-site support with a team of engineering experts. Regular visits to customers to appraise undercarriage wear guarantees better product performance for lower machine maintenance costs. BERCO supports its sales activities by attending all the main trade fairs in the industry and provides its dealers with the most effective marketing tools. For BERCO, customer satisfaction isn't just an objective, it's a company philosophy.